Introducing the TLM Eco Adventure 40 backpack, made of 100% eco-friendly, REET recycled fabrics. This backpack redefines travel with innovative carrying functions.
The shoulder strap balance adjustment design allows users to adjust the shoulder rest to the most comfortable position. The hidden luggage tag, made of lightweight aluminum, integrates with the Travel Sentry global lost and found system, improving the chances of recovery if lost. The backpack features a scientific storage design, dividing it into 5 sections: clothing section, shoe pocket, rain cover pocket, top quick access pocket, and privacy pocket, enhancing travel storage efficiency. The shoe bag includes air ventilation openings and an adjustable flap for customized use. The top quick access pocket provides access to the main clothing section via a Velcro opening. Additionally, there are zippered side pockets for last-minute items or a water bottle, and a safety pocket for wallets, passports, etc. The bag has RFID blocking and water-resistant features and can be converted to fully waterproof with the included rain cover. For weight balancing, the bag includes adjustable chest and waist supports.
All these features make the TLM Eco Adventure 40 the best weekender trip bag in the market.